RV station.
I'm sorry. No,
Oh, you're fine.
No worries.
I think. Oh, there's another VTR right here. Up here. VTR. Flu. Okay. Again, right there. So there's 4 total here. There's that guy over there, still Old Faithful. If we do put the feed water tank down here, we have to be able to punch through, which, boom, we already have 2 punch through locations right there, so that shouldn't be an issue. Gas line. Gas, where is our nearest gas line? Right here. There's the old stub. We got a valve on it so we can tie in there, assuming that gas line's big enough for the new boilers, which it should be. We'll have to take a look. I think that's it for video 1.